Welcome to my channel Easy Tulu Learn Tulu Language Online. In the last lesson we have learned potential mode in Tulu. Today we are going to learn adjective pronouns in Tulu. If you have not yet subscribed my channel, please subscribe and click on the bell icon to get the notification on upcoming videos. Also please like and share this video if you liked it. Adjective pronoun is a pronoun used as adjective. For examples, this book, some friends, etc. There are three types: demonstrative, interrogative, and indefinite. First, let us look at demonstrative adjective pronouns. Demonstrative adjective pronouns are used to point out specific people or things. These are the demonstrative adjective pronouns used in Tulu. Au or a, that and those. Undu or e, this and these. At, that much and so much. Eat, this much and so much. Anchina or Anchitti, such, remote. Inchina or Inchitti, such, proximate. For example, Au enna illu, that is my house. Here, Au is demonstrative pronoun. A illu enna, that house is mine. Here, Au changes to A as a demonstrative adjective pronoun. We can also say Au illu enna. Undu ayana pustaka, this is his book. Ee pustaka enna. Whose book is this? Now let us see interrogative adjective pronouns. Interrogative adjective pronouns are used to form questions. These are the interrogative adjective pronouns used in Tulu. O or wa, which. Eth, how much or how many. Enchi or enchina or enchitti, what or which. Dada, what. For example, Nikku dada bodu, what do you want? Here dada is an interrogative pronoun. Nikku va pustaka bodu, which book do you want? Here va is an interrogative adjective pronoun. Enchina and what happened? Undu enchina bele or undu enchi bele. Which work is this? Or which kind of work is this? Okay, now let us see indefinite adjective pronouns. Indefinite adjective pronouns are formed from indefinite pronouns. Some of the indefinite adjective pronouns used in Tulu are kelavu or kela, means some or several. Mata, all. Pura, whole. Ori, a man. Orti, a woman. Onji, a thing. Kudori, another man. Kudurti, another woman. Kudonji, another thing. Vante or kammi or kadame or churu, little or few. Paka, many. Mast or dinja or jasti, much or many. For example, Mata Battir, all came. Here Mata is an indefinite pronoun. Mata Pettalu Batta, all cows came. Here Mata is an indefinite adjective pronoun. Variye Batte, one came. Vari An Batte, a boy came. Let us now make some sentences using these adjective pronouns. A jana eru, who is that person? Nikku va padya ishta, which song do you like? Ee urudu etu mara undu, in this village how many trees are there? A jokulen leppu, call those children. Enku eetu bele gottundu, I know this much work. Enku aatu portu kaapere aapuji. I can't wait so long. Or I can't wait that much time. Nikku pirabarra eetu portu bodu. How much time do you need to return? Yan anchina jananu varala tootiche. Or yan anchitti jananu varala tootiche. I have never seen such a person. Nikku enchina angi bodu. Which type of shirt do you want? Inchitti kate enku ishta. I like such stories. Or I like this kind of stories. Aye podu kelavu dina andu. It's been several days since he went. Suru pura katen kendalla. Listen to the whole story first. Aye vari javane. He is a young man. Alu varti teacher. She is a teacher. Yanu vanji pustaka detonde. I bought a book. Vante dina taritu barpe. I will come after few days. ಈ ದಿಂಜ ನೀರು ಪರಡು or ಈ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ನೀರು ಪರಡು. You should drink much water. Okay, that's all we had for the day. In the next lesson, we will learn Tulu words related to calendar and weather conditions.
Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please click on the thumbs up button below. Also, don't forget to subscribe by clicking on the subscribe button to get notification on my latest video lessons on YouTube. If you have any suggestions, please comment. Happy learning, and we will meet again in the next video. Bye.